Becky Lacy, and I'm here to show you some new MixMasters from FloraPlant. MixMasters are our tried and true combination kits. First up, I have a new combination, Passion Project. This uses our Lantana passion fruit, which is the first truly trailing lantana. Next up, Summer Splendor, which is a yellow and white combination. It's a very clean look for summer. Moving on into the spring combinations, I've got a mix using Cha-Cha Calibrachoa. This is called Pretty Pastels, and it's more of a vigorous premium Calibrachoa to get a bigger, fuller look. Finally, Peppermint Dreams, a red and white combination using Versa Bacopa, which is a little bit more upright and it helps it show through in the combination. Those are some of our new combinations for this year. Go check out the website to see all that we have to offer.